everybody, this is Apnish Agarwal from Jagdamba Pearls, Secunderabad. I hope you all are keeping safe. Today in my collection I've got an amazing collection of natural diamonds, necklaces made in VVS EF quality diamonds with gemstones. So today, before we start our journey of showing you the entire collection, I would like to first tell you how do you choose and what you should look for when you buy a diamond. If you look at this chart over here, before you buy a diamond, you have 4 parameters should be looked at. That's the shape, the cut, the color and the clarity. Generally, in most of the necklaces or the jewelry we buy, you will always see a round shaped diamond. That is the evergreen and the most liked for diamond shape. Cut, basically you always go for a triple X cut. Triple X cut defines how well the lighting or the shining gets reflected. Color basically defines about the how pure, how colorless the diamonds are. D, E, F are supposed to be the colorless diamonds. And then clarity. Clarity basically means the inclusions or the impurities inside the diamond. Generally VVS1, VVS2, VS1 defines how clear or how transparent with less inclusive stones is. So here I've got an entire collection of diamond necklaces. This is just a small glimpse of the range. We have got a lot more variety. Obviously, for more variety, by now you must be knowing our official WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is 720-720-0042 on your screen. Please WhatsApp us for seeing more such variety. So let's come to the collection now. On the right hand side, if you see this collection, it's a peacock style necklace made with 18 karat of gold with natural Zambian emeralds and Mozambique ruby. Now the beauty of this necklace is basically once you hold it, the net weight is just about 83 grams. So by now we can tell that how lightweight this necklace is, but the look is very heavy. At the same time, the center ruby that is there over here, this ruby is also changeable. Tomorrow if you want to have an emerald instead of a ruby or a blue sapphire or any other stone, we can easily change it. There's a screw behind this. Just turn the screw and finish it off. You can easily change it. This necklace can be worn on all your important occasions, marriages, daughter's marriage, functions, weddings, engagements can be the best occasion to wear this. Every emerald is been well sorted. These are all natural Zambian emeralds. And the most important part, the diamond. All diamonds are VVS EF. Now when we say VVS EF, it is not what we tell you. This jewelry will be certified by a third party company called IGI. IGI in its certificate will mention the diamond color and diamond clarity. For your understanding, let me show you a small certificate sample as to how an IGI certificate looks like. See, this is the company name IGI over here. This is an international gemological institute which describes or certifies the jewelry. Here will be the description of the product, whether is it a necklace or a nose pin or whatever the item is. Here you will see the details, what is the shape of the diamond, the weight of the diamond in the specific jewelry, the color, the clarity, and if any comments is there. And also when you go onto their own website, by putting this number down, you can always check whether the certificate is original or is being faked. Now friends, this necklace is completely made in diamonds. Very less gemstones are used in this. Just 2 pieces of gemstones of emeralds are used in this. Here if you see the setting of this natural diamonds, they look like a marquise or a fancy shape, but these are all round shaped diamonds only. But the setting isn't done in such a style, it gives the look of a fancy shape. Fancy shapes are generally expensive than round shape. That's why we tend to use round shape, but give a look of a fancy shape. When you look from far off, it seems as if you are wearing a necklace made with fancy and round shaped diamonds. The net gold weight in this necklace is 110 grams. And the diamond weight is just about 22 carats, sorry, my apologies. And the most important part, this pendant is removable. So that means from here, if you open the screw here, you can remove this pendant separately, wear the pendant separately in a gold chain, and wear this necklace, just this part till here, separately as well. So basically this becomes a complete 3-in-1 necklace for you, which can be in a similar cost. You can wear 3 specific times. Now let me just give you a small range of this particular product. Being 110 grams gold and about 22 carat, this necklace comes to close to about 13.5 to 14 lakh rupees is what the cost of this necklace is. Now let's come to this necklace. This is a well designed by one of our renowned designer, a combination of diamonds, emeralds and South Sea pearls. Sorry, my apologies, these are not emeralds, these are just green stones. The same thing can be made in real emeralds as and when customer requirement is there. These pearls are all natural South Sea pearls. Even this also, the center pendant is changeable. You can remove this pendant by opening the screw from here side, wear the pendant separately, wear the necklace separately. This necklace, as I just mentioned, it can be worn as pendant separately, this necklace separately. Also this necklace can be worn as a waist belt. This is very flexible. If you see this same thing can be worn as a waist belt also. We need to just add another extension of a chain over here and the entire thing can be worn as a waist belt. So basically now you have a 4-in-1 combination. I'll just ask my team member Janki to come along with me and showcase this to you as to how you can wear as a waist belt. We can remove the pendant from there and just wear this specific belt. We just need to add an extension to the chain and this can be worn as a waist belt also. So basically now you have a 4-in-1 combination of this necklace, which can be a complete necklace, just the pendant, a half of the necklace and a waist belt also. This 4-in-1 necklace basically is 151 grams of net gold is there in this and 24.5 carats of diamond. Now most importantly in today's time, if you see every other jewelry store or a corporate company keeps on telling you in their ads or in communication about the diamond quality and the diamond rate that they are charging. People for VVS EF quality diamonds generally charge anywhere between from 45,000 rupees to 55,000 rupees, 60,000 rupees also. And few bigger brands, bigger corporate companies charge somewhere between 75 to 80,000 rupees per carat also. But let me assure you, an IGI certified VVS EF diamond quality jewelry at Jagdamba Pearls will be available at only 43,000 rupees per carat. Let me tell you, when I tell you 43,000 rupees per carat does not mean that we are giving you something wrong. It just means that somebody has, other people must have got higher margin or what, I cannot comment on that. But all our diamond jewelry will be certified by IGI, which means you are rest assured about the quality. And more importantly, Jagdamba Pearls being from 95 years old company, about the trust, about the quality is unremarkably and unquestionable. You can always check our customer testimony on the same channel and you will be rest assured about that. For more details and more variety, just WhatsApp us on 720-720-0042 and our diamond expert will tell you the best offers, best price, and at the same time this collection for the next couple of weeks have a free delivery anywhere in India. Even if you are a customer outside India and you want this to be delivered over there, we have a delivery service across the globe. There should be slight additional charges to ship it to the US, UK or any other part of the world, but rest assured within 7 days of time it will be there at your doorstep. Let's move to the collection now. This collection, which has got 3 layers from the top and 5 layers at the bottom, is one of the necklace on your bridal attire or your important occasion will the best suited. This necklace is assembled with natural diamonds, as I mentioned earlier, the round diamonds and emeralds. The emeralds in this use the natural Zambian emerald. You could clearly make out the difference by its luster and the shine. The beauty of this necklace is, again, this necklace is changeable. You can wear the entire necklace as it is, or this necklace can be worn in 2 separate parts. There is a link over here to open it. We can just open this necklace from this side and wear this part separately and this longer part separately. I'll just open this and show you as to, so that you can understand how this necklace can open. So from here we can just open this necklace like this. Just open the screw from the side You open it from here. This comes out. So now you see this. The necklace, this one which was joined together over here, is now two separate necklaces that you can wear. For the price of one, you get two separate necklaces, one for a normal occasion, another for another occasion, and together you can wear for your larger or the grander occasion. The beauty when you shop at Jagdamba Pearls is that every jewelry that you buy has to have some purpose in it. When we are spending so much of money, we should ensure we get the maximum value out of it. Jewelry should not be the one that you buy only for once and keep it in the locker. Let's work out how we can make it multi-purpose and multi-usable, and that's where we have learned this from talking to our customers and their feedback. So please WhatsApp us on our official WhatsApp number 720-720-0042 to know more details, to see more variety as per your choice, as per your requirement. Rest assured, we will satisfy you to the fullest. Can I have just ask my team member to wear and show it to you? How does it look like on the neck? If you see this, once you wear just this part of the necklace, it looks beautiful on your stuff. Whether on a gown, on a ghagra or a sari, it will go fabulously well. It's delicate, simple, mesmerizing, and the emblems to it adds a crazy value to it. I'm sure you guys will mark my words, or whatever I'm saying is 100% true to the jewelry that you're seeing right now on your screen. Guys, this is just a small trailer that I'm showing to you. Obviously, I cannot show the entire collection on a channel or on one video. For that, I would request you to please send us a WhatsApp on our official WhatsApp number 720-720-0042, and our team shall share with you almost all the designs and variety as per your requirement, your budget, your liking, and your occasion. And rest assured, you get Jagdamba's quality, Jagdamba's certificate, Jagdamba's guarantee, and a delivery where you want within India and outside India as well, whichever country you look into. Let's go on to the next necklace. This necklace basically is for one who loves gemstones. People generally have a liking for gemstone, and emerald is one such gemstone which is loved by all. It's liked by all, and people and the color of emerald is so soothing to the eyes, to the color, that one cannot get away from it. The emerald used in this are of soothing colors to the eyes. Once you wear it, rest assured it will go on most of your dresses. This necklace also, as the previous one, can be changed from two line to a single line. There is a screw system on your left on both the sides. Just unspring the screw, open it from this side, and this heavy necklace can become into two separate parts of it. So rest assured, you will have two necklaces for the price of one. The net gold of this is just 130 grams. So now in 130 grams and about 24 carats of diamond, you will get a necklace which can be worn in two separate patterns, or for you or your daughter or your mother can wear this necklace separately and together as jointly also. So guys, now by now you could have understood that every jewelry at us can be customized, can be changed. If you do not want an emerald and want a ruby, you can change it to ruby as well. You want any of the gemstones to be there, that's also possible. Let's come to necklace made in emerald and rubies now. The one we saw earlier was in emeralds. This is with rubies. Rubies and a bit of diamond in between. The idea is to ensure that a gemstone gives you a classic look, and also it comes in a very budget friendly price. Because you have more of gemstones and less of diamonds, the cost obviously will become a lot less. This necklace, if you see, which is on your screen right now, is just about 60 grams of net gold. That's it. Now 60 grams you're getting an amazingly designed necklace with rubies. 60 grams and just 5.5 carat of diamond. Now you see what would the price for 60 grams and a 5.5 carat will be. With our pricing, it should come to close to about So guys, these rubies are completely Mozambique rubies. Mozambique basically a mine from where you get ruby. This is based in Africa. Most of the gemstones generally come from Africa. But guys, I forgot to mention you about this necklace price. With about 60 grams of gold and 5.5 carat diamond, this necklace comes to about just about 5.5 to 5.75 lakhs. Now trust me guys, it's a steal deal. Close to about 5.75 or 5.9 lakh rupees. This necklace is a crazy deal to own. So what are you waiting for guys? Just WhatsApp us on our official WhatsApp number 720-720-0042 and my team shall share the entire details of the price weight, the gold weight, the diamond weight, the stone weight with the breakup for you to be rest assured with the certificate of guarantee and an IGI certificate for the diamond, so you're rest assured about the design. Let's move to another necklace. The one that you see on your screen right now is one that's a grand Maharani necklace is what we call it. This one necklace will cover your entire neck, a long in length. It should come, it should close to about 26 to 27 inches in length, with an hanging of emeralds again. We can always change these emeralds to rubies or any other blue color, blue sapphire, as per your desire or as per your liking. We are 100% customizable with our entire team of workers and carriers. All our jewelry range is 100% customizable to your requirement, to your needs, to your likings or to your desire. The necklace on your screen is just about 142 grams of net gold and has about less than 20 carats of diamond. Can you believe it? This entire necklace, which is so big, so much in size, is just about 20 carats. I'll just take my team members' help to showcase to you how it will look once anybody wears it. Janki, please help our customer showcase how long it is and how well it comes when you wear it. Because of its emerald, it can go on any dress that you wear. Whether it is your gown, your lehengas, your bridal attire, or your sari of silk, or any other sari, this will go like crazy. From your top neck till the end, it's mesmerizing. You can also have an adjustable rings behind, so you can adjust the length as and you will want to. As I mentioned earlier, every jewelry at Jagdamba Pearl is customizable. We can customize to whatever level we want it to. Want it long, short, heavy, small, everything is possible. Let's move to one of our classic design, which is a very simple oriented stuff. Just a plain single necklace of diamond. No gemstone into this. Very elegant, very classic, and design which everybody loves to have. Very simple, elegant design with all real natural diamonds in DBS EF quality, certified by IGI. So I guess by now you can see, we can always add any gemstone to this, or you can make this as a belt also, which is completely very flexible. You can just add stuff and make it as a belt also. You can enhance the length, or you can decrease the length as and when what you desire. This one necklace is a very short necklace, well crafted with natural South Sea pearls and real diamonds. The beauty of this necklace, obviously, because it is short in length, is always its weight and the price. This is just 36 grams of net gold in this. I mean, I'm sure you must be thinking, how come in 36 grams you're getting a diamond necklace? But yes, once you wear it, you yourself will surely feel how cool and how mesmerizing this looks on you. Look at the earrings matching with it. Perfectly fits on your ear. Now guys, I have not showcased you the earrings along with these necklaces because there are a lot of earring range that you can always customize or mix and match this collection. Every video you will see something or the other new coming up. Like in this video you are seeing the necklaces, the next video you might see the diamond choker or the diamond earring or the gold necklaces. So for that we want your help and suggestions to please comment in the comment box as to what more you would like to see, what you want us to change, what you want us to improve, so that based on your comments and your feedback, we will keep on improving our collection, our videos and our designs. So guys, please do not hesitate to just send us a WhatsApp on our official WhatsApp number 720-720-0042 and help us by improving, giving a suggestion to improve us on our designs, collection, in the videos, what more should we add. Thank you guys, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and our Instagram page also. We also have a website called www.simples.com. Please visit our website to see more range, more designs and get delivery across India and the globe as per coming. Thank you guys, thank you.